Well, hello everybody. Jer-Bear's back down at the pier. Y'all, I decided I was going to fish the storm that just brazed us a little bit earlier Monday. And, well, right off the bat, I hooked a flounder. He's about 18, 20 inches long. He might have been a little bigger than that. I don't know. But anyway, y'all fish with bullets. But we got to the end and actually we hooked something that's very unique, and the family comes in. I'm talking the family of the fish that we catch comes in and tries to help that thing get loose. And that thing eventually breaks the line. We can't stop it. Y'all, it is amazing what God has done to things to help each other out. And you know, humans, we can learn so much about what God has put in the animals, y'all. You know, y'all, Jesus said, "Come unto me, all that is heavy laden, and I will give you rest." Y'all, let me tell you something about the Lord. The Lord is gracious. He is full of mercy. But I'm going to tell you something, y'all. One day, the mercy's going to run out, and you're going to be there. And y'all, when Jesus calls up his church, this world you think is bad now, you ain't seen nothing. So if you want to get on this train, you better find Jesus and give your heart to him. I'm not talking about just a few words. I'm talking about really giving your heart and let Jesus be Lord of your life. Y'all, what's it going to hurt? He just wants you to treat everybody right. I mean, you know, if you don't want to do that, then that's your personal opinion. But y'all, I'm going to say fish on. Jesus loves. Okay, y'all, I don't know how good you can see it's raining out here. Sort of broke my glass, y'all, my GoPro, so I gotta have to deal with it. I don't have my brother here. I've got a flounder on, y'all. I don't know how big he is, but I've got one on there. Where you at, Sammy? Okay, y'all, I'm gonna take him to the bank, okay? So you'll have to just deal with it. Here we go. He ain't too bad, y'all. Pull him up. Oh, him off. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna stop that. He's about 18, 20 inches. Bunch of junk. Yeah. Let's see what he's got. Okay, y'all, Sammy's got something on. Let's go see what he's got. Now, Sammy, who got 60-pound test braid. So that's good braid. And it might be a drum. He jerked it up. You gotta love it. Heavy. That's why I said fishing out here, man, is something else. When you get one out here, okay, I'm gonna put this right here. Right there. It could be a big drum. I don't know. Ain't a lot of running. shark guys at? Okay, y'all. Is it still up? Okay. Keep walking this way. Yep. Just keep walking this way. You always got a shark. You're like about a 5-footer, ain't it? Ain't it good? Come on, y'all. Let me get myself over here. I don't want to ruin my GoPro. Keep bringing him in. You couldn't have got him up in a net anyway. Well, hello everybody. Y'all, this is my brother Sammy. This is my youngest brother. I got 5 of them. He's probably the biggest one. But y'all, if you see right here, when you're walking down through here, there's a gap. We're gonna have to come back with this shark. So when you're coming down through here and you got a big shark, anything big on, try to keep it in control, because if you let it get behind you and there's slack out between you and that line and that fish, if he's strung out, he needs to be on like a 45 down through there, not a long stretch. So this fish, he runs back underneath the pier. Now let me tell you something, y'all. I'm sorry you didn't get to see this. This fish was 6 foot long or longer. But anyway, y'all, he gets underneath that pier and he decides he wants to go on through, and a 6-foot shark, you ain't gonna stop him. So you'll see right here in a minute. There he's back. Look, he done went through. Look at him. He said, wait a minute, this is a better side over here. Now my brother Sammy there, y'all, he's stout as he can be now, I'm telling you. But by Johnny, once he gets through that pier, to bring him back through that pier is almost impossible. You got to wind down. You talking about pulling. Yo, I got 60-pound braid. I know that ain't real huge, but that's good sized line. I try it and I'm pulling, and he finally hits one of those pilings and cuts the line. So y'all fish on, learn from our mistakes, and fish on. Jesus loves you. For real?
He just put the pipe and left.
No. Keep winding, buddy.
Yeah, he's on there.
He's on there. Yeah, keep that line tight. Hope it's a drum.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it home and cook it.
Big drum. Fish on, boy. Y'all look. Here's Porter. Porter's got one on here. I tell you, when he grabbed it, man, it wasn't none of this peck. It was
Go, go, go.
Go, 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 yeah. Now this is on cut bait too.
It's running like what I got.
No.
Okay, wind down, man.
Keep it straight.
Now listen, if you get tired, I can take over. You got me get back on this side.
Keep it straight now. Get off the shore.
Go ahead.
You feel head shakes?
There's a lot of people like that. They don't mean no harm by nobody. Go back, big fish.
Hold up, I got it. I think front.
Oh my God! Look! Look what happened!
Come this way, come this way, come this way.
No! Just keep holding back. Just.
Let me take my line up, watching y'all.
If it's a drum, we gotta bring him back. Oh no, it's gonna pour down rain. Keep winding down and keep pulling on him. Keep winding down and
It's gonna be an overspot.
Keep pulling on him. Look, keep pulling. There you go. Wind down, wind down. Wind. Pull. Easy. Just pull slow. Wind down.
Josh, trying to reel you in.
On down. Now hold. Pull. Wind down. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna let you have it. Okay. So if you start getting tired, you let me know. Don't lose my reel. Uh-oh. Oh, I see something.
Huh? That's
It's a stingray.
that's a
You
stingray.
gonna beach him? We're gonna have to. I'm gonna have to get in the water again. That means.
Not necessarily.
Yeah, it is. I thought that was his tail.
I'm gonna have to get in the water. It means. Here, bring him this way.
Yeah, hold on.
Uncle.
Please, old boy, hold on. Let me get my camera out there so we can see.
Yo, if we don't lose this one, Jerry, can I keep it? I can use it as shark bait later on.
You got plenty of shark bait, man.
I need more. That's better shark bait.
Keep it straight, dude.
Or it depends if you want it. Want me to. I don't care.
I just don't want to kill it. Okay, you come on, hang on.
Here, come this way.
Hang on, buddy. I got you. You ready? Keep walking up through there. Lord have mercy.
Straight down.
Okay, wind down and pull up, buddy. Wind down and pull up. Oh. Keep coming this way. Lord have mercy. Over here, yours, buddy. Oh my God.
Let him run.
They're really starting to bite now.
Let him run out.
Oh no. He didn't get it.
He's running straight out.
Yeah. What was it? The mullet.
Wow.
What is it?
I'll cook them over.
Oh, a little bitty hook.
Got a trick for him today.
No. Let me see this thing. You don't need to let him do you that way. See? Bring him back. This is 60-pound braid, y'all. You put here forward. I know. You get.
I put in a 250 pound and 40 pound.
Look at it.
Where is he?
camera. Here you go. Porter, take his reel back. No, a minute. Real Porter. Take reel back.
You're gonna put the turtle.
Y'all, once we get this done, I'm done. I'm going home. We need to get on video though. Yeah. Hey Porter, will you bring my camera? Cause I'm gonna put you on it. Oh no. Wait a minute. Pick that one up, I'm gonna need. Yep. Right here, same way. Go find me. Yeah.
I'm going right up to the good fight.
They are pretty good. Well, come on, buddy, if you want this, but
I don't want them, I'll just beat you.
okay, I'll let you beat you.
Took the pants off.
Porter, I'll let you go there with him, okay?
Okay.
Why?
Hey, Porter, can you hold the cat? No, never mind. Well, here, hang on, hold this here for me. You got it, easy now, easy with it. Let's take this here off. We got him going, don't we? Okay, can you pick him up a little bit? Easy, so we can see him. Just higher, easy. Pick him on up slow. Y'all, we're trying to let you see him. Just keep walking that way. Keep walking that way. He doesn't come up, does he?
I need to switch this.
Okay. You hold that spool real easy. Keep going.
Here he is.
Keep going. There he comes. Look at him.
Oh!
Oh man, there's a whole school of them.
Which one do we have?
Man, about 7 or 8 of them.
He's following the school. Nah.
Man.
It's on camera.
It's on video.
He's under. He's going under. He's going under.
Let me see it. Oh Lord, have mercy. I know. I can't do nothing. I got you. So I got you. So I'm gonna bring it back. This is weird.
Here, I'm coming to some. I'm not. You want me to grab the line?
No.
He goes on that pier, he's gone.
Not really.
He was trying to go with that school.
They were gonna,
Yeah.
they were gonna help him.
He's coming out. I don't see the line on this side. We're good.
Oh, he's over.
Here, bring him slowly to the beach, I guess.
Okay. Hey, Papa, will you grab my camera?
That's you, Uncle.
Uncle.
So you've known him for like 30 years?
Long time. Well, no. About 20 years.
Yeah, let me go down the beach. Yeah, we're gonna have to grab Peter though.
Hey, Porter, will you go with him?
Yeah.
Well, we're going to be.
1 minute. Grab those pliers. Right there.
Yeah, give me a fire. I don't want you to get hit. That's the thing, because I've done this for 10 years.
Evan's been doing it for 40 years.
Hey, look, man, that was cool.
Yeah, I hate you didn't get that on camera.
Huh?
I hate you didn't get all those other ones on there,
What's that?
on the camera.
I did.
Oh, did you?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah, as long as it wasn't off that stuff. Porter, you going down there with me?
Evan's about to get stung in there. Do I need to lean
You
this
have
up?
shoes on, right?
Watch out, buddy.
You're going to have to step on his tail. Is that okay with you? You're going to have to step on his tail.
Yeah, no. Hey, Porter, you stay away from him.
Oh,
Oh!
shucks. That thing snapped, didn't it?
It did.
Let me go put this.
But he's on there.
Yeah.
He's on there. It's a video. I'm done, y'all.
Dang,
We
he
tried.
snapped right there.
We tried, y'all. Yo, I'm done. Hey, go and throw me back in my tackle box. Porter, I'm holding her out, okay? Hang on. It was pretty good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Was it a hard fighting?
Yeah.
Hey, show it to the camera. Hang on. Did you hook it?
Well, he missed my line, then flew right back into it.
Go and show the camera. Check it out. Hold on. Okay, I got y'all. You good, man? Keep breaking it in. Paddle down, pull
My
back.
reel's about to fall off.
Huh?
Can you tighten that? Yeah, that's it.
Wind down, just pull easy. Wind down, pull easy. There you go. Don't be jerking. Wind down, pull easy. Now look, you've been coming down here a lot, ain't you? Why ain't you got any straps?
I heard it for like 2 seconds.
I wish it was a drum.
It might be.
I wish it was. Had they done any jerking?
Yeah.
My biggest drum's like 45.
My biggest drum's 63.
That wasn't called here.
That's what I'm saying.
Well, I didn't catch one. My
Oh,
biggest.
thanks, man.
It's smoking.
Easy. What was on that? Cut bait or
It is kind
oh,
of
what?
like,
Yeah.
it is like I caught a 45.
How big your line on there?
40 pounds.
Yes, good size.
43.
Okay, go ahead. Wind down.
When I got that stingray, the cotton, I didn't come see what was going on. I come see what was going on.
Yeah.
Look up where I'm at. Well, I still wonder if you can
Oh, you're still good, man.
Please don't be a 200 pound stingray again.
I bet it is. I hope it ain't.
Nah, he has a head shake. I found a head shake.
Shark.
I don't have wire. I have 45 mono. I have 45 mono leader.
Well, man, I could have gave you a steel leader.
I got wire. This rod's only made for drums. Not hard.
Well, I caught my drum on a 5.
This rod is good. Thankfully.
I caught mine on a 5-foot string.
I got mine on a 3-place mono right there. That one.
Yeah, I'm feeling. Y'all, we got a fish on up here. Evan, right?
Yeah.
Y'all, this is Evan. He's you can tell he's not a professional, but he's pulling back with his rod straight.
We do that in Outer Banks if we can hear it. If we have
Look, he's not over here now,
That's
man.
Josh.
I told you.
That's Josh. Josh! Got another one! Come here, boy! Right there.
That's what my brother said. Oh, God, where's mine? Are you ready for this?
We about to double up.
We tripled up the other dope on my fish.
Weren't you just in Wilmington like 3 hours ago?
Yeah.
Look at that.
I just rode back 2.5 seconds ago.
Look at that.
We done had about a 6-footer.
Tell me this is another shark.
We got him halfway in, and we don't need to tear.
This isn't a shark though, that's for sure. Because I don't have wire.
And you could have had him hooked just out on the hook.
Yeah, true, because I do have to like go long before my leader.
Yeah. Is that the ones with these short things?
No, actually no, this has a leader. Yeah, I found a thing that he would already been stuck by now. Yo, there.
Which one?
The last one, the one that got hit earlier.
Okay. Okay.
I can't see you get in line. Why
He's way out there.
We're in a stalemate right now.
I don't know.
Actually, only at 30. That's really fun.
Hey, I did catch up by 20 kilometers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's still in here.
Yeah, I caught one down there the other day. He's about 17, 18 inches.
I'm like, yesterday I was sitting over, I'm trying to catch Spanish.
Yeah.
Spanish just blew up before you came.
Bro, it's a mix between Spanish and blue. Spanish and blue.
What you throwing?
Live bait.
Live bait.
How'd that blue?
We waiting on that.
How did it take? Yeah, I need to go.
Now, is that a knot in your line or is that? Hey,
That's line to line.
hey, listen. Get back over here. I want you with the camera. You can't get over against the camera. I can't see you.
You gotta go on another run again, bro. I feel it.
Take your time. Take your time, y'all.
We might have to beat this one because we have no net. You have a net,
Okay.
Josh, or no? Oh, why? Is yours still torn up?
I gotta put another rope on it.
That short just through it.
I left mine out here. Well, they didn't steal it. It was left out here, but I know.
I wish I had put it in the house. You know,
If you see mine, it's got the orange string. That's what mine. You see this? It's got an orange Velcro string. Man, I wish it was drunk.
Here, you might need to move back that camera.
I am, Lord. Let me watch out on the Porter. I mean, you don't have to go to it. You just watch it from here.
he left his rod holder out
Here's the
here.
stingray.
Is it?
He's stuck to the bottom.
He left his rod holder out here. Man, left his fishing pole out here. One day, they ended up getting light for us. Me and Damien out here. Gee.
Throw it at that.
I said, gee, that's
Might be, might not be.
I said, I think that's fishing pole. I kept this fishing pole for 3 days. 3 days until he came. I said, when I seen him, and I ain't never caught a flounder away. Here you go. Came back next day with a rubber dog. Somebody left a
Jer-Bear, he's right below.
other people to be out here catching
Come this way. Walk.
They left
Get top of it.
They left their pole out
Man,
here.
I hope it's a, now, I'm going to tell you, this morning, that shark is acting, well, this fish has done peeled some line. So he's had some line.
He's under the pier.
Well, start pulling up.
Yeah, you want to let him.
Pull.
You want to let him muscle you. You supposed to muscle him.
No. On this side of him. Come on, pull up. Oh my God. Pull.
You want to switch?
Pull.
Josh, this isn't fighting like that thing, man.
Ow.
This is that shark.
They could probably swim you out.
Oh, Lord, have mercy.
Got that long pole. Nothing on the side of that.
Keep pulling. He's straight down here. Oh, no.
I still catch bait.
He snapped the main line.
Yo, I'm going to leave my camera out here.